guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Foxy and today I want to show you my favorite winter lip combos. The first combo is gonna be pretty light and it's kind of a nude winter combo, my favorite one. The lip liner I'm gonna be using is from the brand Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Scorpio. Basically, I'm just following my natural lip shape and slightly contouring with this lip liner. This is what it looks like just with the liner, and I want to blend it a little bit, but I don't blend the contour itself, I only blend the inner part of my lips, like the center. Now I'm going in with Mina 501 lipstick. This is such a beautiful nude light shade. I applied it right in the center. And just blended it out a little bit. And to finish this look, I'm gonna be using Lifter Gloss by Maybelline in the shade 002 Ice. And the first lip combo is done. My second favorite winter lip combo is gonna be chocolatey lip combo, and to achieve this look I'm gonna be using Ashton Colourpop Lippy Pencil. This is such a beautiful cool toned lip liner. It's definitely warmer than the previous liner because the previous one was more even like purplish, you know, it was pretty cool toned, and this one is a bit warmer. I'm gonna be using Rhode Peptide Lip Tint in the shade Espresso. I love this lip gloss, and if you want it to be more pigmented, you can always add more lip gloss because it's sheer but it's still buildable. So if you want your lip gloss to look a bit darker, you can just add another layer. What do you think about this one? For the next lip combo, I will use Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Peach. Honestly, this shade is my favorite one in Colourpop brand. It glides like butter. It's really super easy to use. I'm going to blend it a little bit too. And now I'm going in with Hippie Fable Redefining Lip Care Cherry in Champagne Glitter. This is such a beautiful lip glitter. The tube looks like this. So you just need to squeeze it and then apply it on your lips. So it basically applies like a cream. And this one is pretty shiny, and I really love that this brand, the Hippie Fable brand, lip balms from them. They are always super hydrating, super moisturizing on the lips, and my lips felt a bit dry before applying this lip balm. I don't want to remove it right now because my lips feel amazing. But you know, we gotta move on and we need to move to the next lip combo, so let's remove this one. For this lip combo, I will use P. Louise lip liner in shade Crush. in this lip combo, I'm not going to make my lip contour super sharp because I will blend it anyway. Because in this kind of look, I want my lips to look more like, you know, kissable, like I just kissed. So I'm gonna blend the lip contour. It looks more natural this way, and it really looks like I just kissed. Or like I'm cold, you know, like I just came home from the snowy walk. You see. Now I'm going in with Benefit Go Go tint. This is the bright pink tint. Benefit honestly have a lot of lip tints, a lot of different shades. And I think this one is just perfect for this kind of look. I used this lip combo in my first bite makeup tutorial, and you can leave it like this, or you can top it up with a Queen Cosmetics Diamond Shimmer High Shine Gloss in the shade Astral Projection. If you want to make it look more shiny and more festival-like. You can add this lip gloss then. And this is the final look for this lip combo. Which interpretation of this lip combo you like more, without this lip gloss or with lip gloss? Let me know in the comments. Now we're moving to red lip combos, and first one is gonna be pretty bright red. For this look, I'm gonna be using Revolution Pro Marilyn Monroe Lip Liner. And now I'm gonna be adding ColourPop Glowing Lip in the shade Red Hot. It's a beautiful, cool toned red lipstick. It was a limited edition and they literally discontinued this one, if I'm not mistaken. Let me tell you, I'm gonna be pretty sad when I will run out of this lipstick because it's a beautiful color, it's a beautiful packaging, it's a beautiful formula, it's super comfortable, it's hydrating on the lips, it's not drying at all, and it smells really nice. You know what I love to do when I remove my lipstick? I don't know why, I just love to do this. I write something like love you and I leave it on my husband's table. I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. For the next lip combo, I'm gonna be using ColourPop Peach Liner again. And on top of this lip liner, I'm gonna be using Maybelline New York Superstay Vanilla Ink in a shade Tan Lippy. I honestly think that this particular lip combo is a perfect definition of cherry color lips. And I really love this lipstick. First of all, it smells like vanilla. I really love vanilla smell. I'm a fan of vanilla. It turns into a matte lipstick. It looks shiny, it looks glossy, but it's matte. It feels matte on the lips. This product is something else. I really love this lipstick so much. If you want a lip gloss look, but don't want the feeling of a lip gloss, get this one. This is amazing. And the last but not least lip combo for today is a perfect dark lip combo. For this combo, I'm gonna be using a lip liner from MAC in a shade Plum. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, the lip combo I'm going to show you right now, I'm using it almost every day. It's December right now. I don't know when I will post this video. I hope in December or in January. But anyway, I use this lip combo almost every single day because it matches the winter vibe so good. Now I'm gonna be using Guerlain lipstick. Just look how beautiful this packaging is. The lipstick itself, it's such a perfect dark red color. This lipstick is super matte. So if you're looking for perfect dark red vine lips, it's like a red vine lipstick. If you're looking for a perfect red vine lipstick, this is it. And to finish this look, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Superstay in Crayon in the shade Trust Your Gut. I want to add it just in the center. This is the last lip combo for today, and actually my favorite lip combo for winter. All of those combos that I showed you today, they all are my winter favorites, but this lip combo, as I already told you, this is my holy grail for winter. I almost use it every single day. Perfect red wine lip combo. And that's basically it. I really hope this video was interesting for you. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you later. Take care of yourself. We love your Foxy. Oh, and happy holidays.